Hey everyone, we're back again with another authentic Thai recipe direct from our restaurant kitchen in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Today we're making Pad Kra Pao Moo. If you've eaten Thai food, then you know Pad Kra Pao. That spicy, garlicky, holy basil stir-fry, usually with minced pork over rice. This is the same bold flavor in this dish, but instead of rice, we toss it with instant noodles. Pad Kra Pao Moo, hot, fragrant holy basil and minced pork, stir-fried right into the noodles you already know. While you watch this amazing pan of delicious go round and round, let's talk about our ingredients. We're using about 200 grams of chopped pork. You can easily use chopped chicken, but then you'll need to change the name of your dish to Pad Kra Pao Gai. Gai is the Thai word for chicken. We also have a large handful of Bai Kra Pao, also known as holy basil, and 2 packs of dry ramen noodles, 2 teaspoons of chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of chopped Thai chili, 1 tablespoon of diced onion, 2 teaspoons of Thai light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of Thai dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Okay, let's get started. First, you'll need to boil your noodles. Cook them just until they are barely softened, but not mushy. Remove the noodles from the water and drain well. Start with a clean pan. Preheat it, then add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Add the chili and garlic, stir, and fry for a few seconds. Add the chopped meat and stir it into the chili and garlic. Add a bit of onion and stir fry some more, then add just a little water. Add sugar and light soy sauce, then stir some more until well browned. Add dark soy sauce and oyster sauce. Continue frying until a thick and sticky sauce develops. Add the cooked and well-drained ramen noodles. Stir and toss into the sauce, but carefully, so you don't break or chop up the noodles. Continue tossing until well coated with the seasonings. Add the basil leaves and continue tossing. Serve immediately on 2 plates or 1 big plate for sharing. Don't forget that you can now book private cooking lessons with our chef in Thailand on either Zoom, FaceTime, or in person at our location in Chiang Mai. Visit chiangmaicookingschool.com for more info. If you love Thai food but still have trouble saying the names of your favorite dishes, why not give ActiveThai.com a try? At Active Thai, you can learn to read, write, and speak Thai. Try it out today for free. Our contact information, websites, social medias, and complete recipe library are available online. Just follow the links in the video description below. Thank you and enjoy!